Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to download and install VideOCR step by step, a useful tool for extracting hard-coded subtitles from videos and saving them as SRT files. This method is simple and beginner-friendly. Let's get started. Step 1, go to any browser, type or paste GitHub, com/terminators/VideOCR/releases/tag/v1.2 and click the download link provided there. You'll see options for both the setup installer and the portable version. Choose the version that matches your system, either CPU or GPU, depending on whether your computer has a dedicated graphics card. Step 2. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the VideOCR file. Your browser may show a security warning because the app is not digitally signed. Double-click the file, accept the license agreement, and follow the on-screen instructions to install VideOCR. Step 3. After the installation finishes, open VideOCR. You'll now see the main interface. Click on the Browse button and select the video file that contains hard-coded subtitles. You can preview the video inside the app and use the seek bar to locate where the subtitles appear. Step 4. Next, draw a crop box around the subtitle area by clicking and dragging over the text region. Once the area is selected, click the Run button to start the subtitle extraction process. This may take some time, especially if you are using CPU mode. Step 5. When the process is complete, the extracted subtitles will be saved automatically as an SRT file in the same folder as your original video. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and used VideOCR to extract subtitles from a video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.